we can install MySQL with the minimum installation, but still with full functionalities needed. First, we make sure we don't have old versions. If we do, remove them first. Okay, then we go to a browser and type MySQL download and hit enter. Then select the first one, mysql.com from downloads, and drag down all the way to the bottom. See MySQL Community GPL downloads, click that one, and select MySQL installer for Windows. Assume we are using Windows. Okay, we see two versions. One is the web version, one is the one full installation, full downloads. We can install from offline. We select download the web version and skip login, sign up, drag to the bottom, and click no thanks, just start my download. Okay, the installer is downloaded. Then we click this one and click yes, allow to make changes, still allow to make changes, and then running. Now this is the important page. We have options. The default is developer default. We don't use this one. We select custom and click next. We see we have 4 parts. We only need to install the first one, MySQL servers. That's good enough for most of our developers here. We need to select the top one and then move to the right side. Make sure. Okay, then click next. And we can execute. Ready to download. Okay, it's downloaded, and click next. And the following products will be installed. Yes, we can execute. It's complete, so we click next, and ready to configure. Okay, we click next to configure. Right, come to this configure type. We select the default development computer, and the port number 3306. That's the port number we need to remember. So we click next. Then we use the default one. Use strong password, and then we type a password here. This is the one for the root user, the default. So we type alright, it says weak. That's okay for our own installation, not in production. But in production, we need to provide a strong password. And we can add user accounts. So we'll create one. Say admin. It's my local admin. And we also need to provide password here. Provide. Okay, it's weak. It's okay. So click OK, then click next, and remember the MySQL Server instance is MySQL 80, so we use the default, and click next, and then we can execute configurations. Okay, it's complete. We click finish, then configuration is complete. Click next, and then we say finish. And it's done. We can verify the installation by going to File Explorer. We should see MySQL directory under C Program Files. This installation has the full functionalities that MySQL can provide, and it also includes a window command line tool to use it. How to use the command line tool? To use all the standard SQL commands like insert, select, update, delete, and how to create database, create tables. For that, I have included a link below this video in the description details section. They are very simple and easy. Please check. Thank you for watching.